Hey, this is Tyler. We're on our way to go through the state forest, do a little off-roading, camping, not really camping, staying for the night, but a little off-roading and chill day. I got my dog Kona with me. She's gonna run around the woods because that's her favorite thing to do. Except car rides aren't really her favorite thing, but it'll be worth it once she gets there. You think this dog would be fine because she drove to Montana and back, but she's still not a big fan of car rides. But yeah, we're on our way to the state forest. I got my buddy Eric behind me with Jake. We're going to do a little bit of minor off-roading, nothing too serious because we're not that good at it. But yeah, see ya. Oh man. Sorry, Kona. Sorry, dog. A little rougher than I thought it'd be.
Probably like what, maybe? Taco can find out.
How's that bad? Kona, come on. You're fine. Kona, come here. That one's deep.
Dead silent. Everybody, no one's gonna buy.
So I brought a wood chef with us on this off-road trip because I suck at cooking. We also brought
comedic relief.
we brought a Jake with us.
I've done nothing productive for
It's
him,
very
Do
important.
a video like this. All right, this could be you guys right here camping on the tailgate. You got your outside campers hooked up on the back of your Tundra. You got the campfire going behind you. I mean, what else can you ask for?
There you go. You heard it
All
here.
I need. It is all
We also have a dog, but she's scared of campfires.
dog, scared of campfires. Let's go.
There she is. She's scared of campfires, but she looks a little flustered. Sick.
Oh, you actually made a plate for all of us.
Oh yeah.
What a guy.
Give me the smallest
Chef Eric.
one.
Whatever one you want. Oh, because you've been snacking.
Which
Yeah,
one is the
fine.
smallest one? This one or that one?
Home dog's chilling. It is really bumpy, but I think she found a spot where she's happy. Our goal of this trip is to try to find somewhere to maybe camp and just kind of hang out for the day. There's a couple trails on the side. Looks like I see some mud coming up. I definitely didn't go down this before, so this is exciting stuff.
Got some guys on dirt bikes behind us. Wonder if we should let them through.
Yeah, that's why I can kind of push over here. I'll let them go. There's also a truck up ahead of us too. I don't know if it's moving or not. You're good. Get that smell of that two-stroke.
Yeah, baby.
A little muddy up here. What do you think, Kona? Not too bad. Not too bad. It's mostly rocky here, so there's not much. Hey, dog. Oh, oh. Hold on tight. Alright, get to the end of this. Kind of deep.